Attahiru Ibrahim was a Nigerian Army Lieutenant General who served as the 25th Chief of Army Staff of the Nigerian Army from the 26th of January until his death on the 21st of May 2021 in a military plane crash near Kaduna International Airport, Kaduna State. Lieutenant General Ibrahim Attahiru was born on the 10th of August 1966 in Doka, Kaduna North Local Government Area, Kaduna State. He was a graduate of the Nigerian Defence Academy, Armed Forces Command and Staff College and Nigerian Army School of Infantry. He commenced officer cadet training in January 1984 and was commissioned as a second lieutenant in December 1986 as an infantry officer. He held a master's degree in strategic management and policy studies from the Nigerian Defence Academy. He also attained a Master's of Science in Human Resources Management and Development from Salford University in the United Kingdom and a graduate diploma in International Studies from the University of Nairobi, Kenya. He had a tour of duty with the United Nations in Sierra Leone as a military observer, where he facilitated United Kingdom military engagement Operation BARASS in September 2000. He was an operation officer and later company commander in NIBATT-19 ECOMOG operations in Liberia. Also, he had the unique privilege of having commanded with distinction all through the chain of command in the Nigerian Army. Prominent among these appointments are Commanding Officer 146 Battalion Nigerian Army. It is on record that he brought relative stability to the region with the surrender of several Boko Haram combatants. As a staff officer, he was Unit Adjutant, 7 Battalion Nigerian Army, SETI, Chief of Staff, 1 Brigade Nigerian Army Sokoto, General Staff Officer Grade 1 Training, Operations as well as staff duties, plans at Headquarters 1, 2 and 81 Divisions of the Nigerian Army. He was Deputy Director Military Secretary 2 at the AHQMS and one-time Director Army Public Relations and spokesperson of the Nigerian Army. He was later Director Staff Duties and Deputy Chief of Policy and Plans at the Army Headquarters. He was equally privileged to serve as Chief of Defense Transformation and Innovation and Chief of Defense Logistics at the apex organ of the Armed Forces of Nigeria, Defense Headquarters Abuja. In that position, he worked with the U.S. Defense Logistics Agency on the Vertically Integrated Logistics Approach program towards enhancing the operational readiness in the Armed Forces of Nigeria. On the instructional, he was an instructor at the Depot Nigerian Army, Nigerian Defense Academy and the Nigerian Army School of Infantry. He was later a directing staff and chief instructor at the Armed Forces Command and Staff College, Jaji, Kaduna. He was at the National Defense College, Kenya for the National Defense Management and Security Studies course and at the Chinese People's Liberation Army Special Forces Academy Shijiazhuang Hubei Province, China for the Basic and Advanced Special Operations Commando Forces courses. He undertook Leadership and Security Policy course at the prestigious Kennedy School of Government, Harvard University USA, Graduate School of Media and Communication, Aga Khan University of Nairobi, Bournemouth University Disaster Management Center, and the Geneva Center for Security Policy. On the evening of May 21, 2021, Attahiru was traveling on a Nigerian Air Force Beechcraft King Air 350 on an official visit to the northern state of Kaduna, which has he wanted to attend the passing out parade of 80 RRI in Depot Nigerian Army on May 22, 2021. During the route, the plane crashed, killing Attahiru and all the 10 other people on the plane. Videos of the crash site are posted on multiple online platforms. The general had several honors and awards. He was a highly decorated officer with UNAMSIL Medal, ECOMOG Medal, Forces Service Star, Meritorious Service Star, Distinguished Service Star, Grand Service Star, Corps Medal of Honor, Command Medal, Field Command Medal, and Field Command Medal of Honor. Watch video. Nigeria's Chief of Army Staff Ibrahim Attahiru dies in military plane crash. This biographical article related to the Nigerian military is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.